Abahlali bakwaGobityholo basePhumla Mqashi eLenasia South bavale mba uhola wendlela iGolden Highway namhlanje ekuseni beqhankqalazela ingxaki yamanzi. Okuzemva kokuba kubekho iphulo lokuqhawula koqhagamshelo lwamanzi olungekho mthethweni kula mmandla kwiiveki ezimbalwa ezidlulileyo. Kodwa nangona nje iqumrhu lamanzi iJohannesburg Water libonelela uluntu ngeetanki zamanzi, abahlali abonelisekanga lucoceko lwamanzi abawanikwayo.
Kwangentseni yanamhlanje abahlali basematyotyombeni ePhumla Mqashi baqhankqalazele imiba yamanzi kulo mmandla ukulandela iphulo lokuqhawula uqamangelo lwamanzi olungekho mthethweni kwiiveki ezimbalwa ezidlulileyo. Kungoku nje bathi umonde wabo unciphe de wafikelela esiphelweni njengoba besokola beluva ulwamvila lokungabi namanzi.
Since it's a long time, they closed the water without informing us what's wrong. And then we know that we are staying here for about 7 years, 6 years here at Phumla Mqashi. We got water, but now they decided to close.
Firstly, like, kwamele uyofuna manzi somewhere, maybe 2 streets away from your home. Uyofuna manzi. And tolokuthi awuna something to carry your water with. You have to ubambe maybe bucket or something, your containers ngezandla and ziyasinda ukuthi wena uye endlini. And then secondly, khona laba nama newborn babies. So imagine umuntu lo usase fragile ukuthi angaphatha amanzi asindayo.
Siyahlukunyezwa, sifuna amanzi bantu. Kunini siyahlupheka nisivalela amanzi. Kumele sithini manje singagezi, niyasibulala kodwa sivotile Mqashi. Amanzi aphi eMqashi apha manje. Siyalwa sifuna amanzi manje. Siyanuka amakhwapha songena kanjani emateksini.
Inyathelo lequmrhu iJoburg Water lokuzisa amatanki wamanzi kule ngingqi alibonelwa ntweni ngoba abahlali bathi la manzi angcolile futhi abanye ayabagulisa.
We have to buy water for drinking. And then laba silethela wona, we only like use it for washing and bathing. That's it. You can't cook ngala manzi lawa because amanye awekho clean enough to cook or to drink.
Mina amanzi lawa wethanka ngiyawasebenzisa, ngiyawasha ngawo, angakapheki ngawo, ngiyawasaba because angazi ukuthi akhiwa kuphi lawa manzi lawa. And then ngoba singana choice simane siyawasebenzisa nje lamanzi lawa, but lamanzi lawa awekho right ngoba futhi bathi abasiletheli na everyday. Khona laba wafakayo, khona laba wafaka nalo noma bawaletha abangeni ngaphakathi ngahlala ngaphakathi bawaletha ngapha etradeni. Mawuthi papa amanzi anwatholi, abanye bawathola abanye bawatholi.
Kuye kwabakho ukubambana ngezixhanti kwabo bebenyanzelisa ukusebenzisa la ndlela njengoko imoto bekungavumelekanga ukuba zidlule. Kusenjalo abahlali bafunga ngelokuba uqhankqalazo lwabo luza kuqhubeka de baviwe. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eLenasia South.